Ever dream of a lush, thriving garden but don't have the time or the green thumb to maintain it? What if technology could do the hard work for you? Today, we're diving into the future of gardening with our list of the top 5 smart garden gadgets you must have in 2025. And of course, if you see something you love, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's get ready to transform your home and outdoor space with the ultimate tech picks for a smarter, greener life. Are you tired of playing the guessing game with your plants? Giving them too much water or not enough? Meet the Tuya Zigbee wireless soil monitor. This is the ultimate smart gadget to ensure your plants get the perfect care they deserve. It precisely measures soil moisture, temperature, and humidity, sending all that data right to your smartphone. Because it integrates with the Tuya smart ecosystem, you can set up powerful automations. Imagine your smart sprinkler turning on automatically the moment the soil gets too dry. And don't worry about the weather. Its IP67 waterproof rating means it's built to last in any garden, rain, or shine. Stop guessing and start growing smarter. For anyone serious about creating a thriving automated garden in 2025, this little device is an absolute game changer. Managing the watering schedule for a large garden with different types of plants can be a real headache, right? Well, say hello to the Tuya 16-zone Smart Sprinkler Controller. This is the command center your garden has been waiting for. It allows you to independently manage up to 16 different watering zones, so your lawn gets a different schedule than your delicate flower beds. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can adjust schedules or start watering from anywhere in the world using your phone or simple voice commands with Alexa and Google. But here's the best part. It's weather aware. The controller intelligently skips watering sessions when rain is in the forecast, which is brilliant for conserving water and lowering your utility bills. If you want to take your irrigation from manual and wasteful to smart and efficient, this controller is an essential upgrade for any serious home gardener. Is your big garden cleanup constantly delayed by the thought of all that tough pruning, the hand strain, the sore muscles? It's time to put away those manual shears and upgrade to the DayPlus Cordless electric pruner. This tool is a total game changer for garden maintenance. With a powerful battery-operated motor, it effortlessly slices through thick branches with just the pull of a trigger. No more struggling or straining your hands. What used to take hours of hard labor can now be done in a fraction of the time, leaving you with more energy to enjoy your beautiful garden. It also delivers a clean, sharp cut every time, which is healthier for your plants. Plus, being completely cordless gives you the freedom to go anywhere on your property without being tied down. If you're ready to make pruning the easiest chore in your garden, these electric shears are a must-have tool. Work smarter, not harder. Ever set up a simple hose timer only to have the batteries die while you're on vacation? Or wondered how much water your garden is actually using? This is the Tuya solar-powered Wi-Fi watering timer, and it solves all of those problems. This is the smartest way to automate your garden hose. Its best feature is the built-in solar panel that keeps the battery charged, giving you uninterrupted, maintenance-free operation all season long. But it gets even better. It has an integrated water flow meter, which means you can track your exact water usage in the app. This is perfect for conserving water and making sure your plants get precisely what they need. Of course, it's fully controllable from your smartphone. Set detailed schedules, turn it on or off manually from anywhere, and get total peace of mind. For anyone who relies on a garden hose for watering, this solar-powered smart timer is a brilliant upgrade. It's self-sufficient, data-rich, and puts complete control in the palm of your hand. What if you never had to mow your lawn again? Seriously. Imagine getting your weekends back, forever. This is the Robotic Lawn Mower E1600, and it's here to completely automate one of the most tedious garden chores. You simply lay down the boundary wire to define your lawn, set a schedule in the app, and it does all the work. It quietly cruises around your yard, trimming the grass a little bit at a time. This frequent cutting is actually healthier for your lawn, creating a natural mulch that results in a greener, thicker turf. With a massive working capacity of over half an acre, This robot is built for serious lawns. It automatically returns to its charging station when needed, and then heads back out to finish the job. This isn't just a gadget, it's an investment in your free time. If you're ready to enjoy a perfect lawn with zero effort, this robotic mower is the ultimate smart garden tech for 2025. And that's a wrap on our top 5 smart garden gadgets you must have in 2025. Ready to upgrade your garden? Don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you down below in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next tech review. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.